So this is our shear. It can cut or shear sheet metal along a straight line, and it can handle material up to an 8-inch thick. So the first thing we're going to do is mark our material. So next we're going to line up our piece with this edge here and push it into the machine. Make sure to keep your fingers clear. To line up our cut line with the shear, we're going to line up our marked cut line with the edge of the table. When we're ready to make our cut, we'll turn on the machine by clicking the start button here, and then press the foot pedal to make the cut. When you're done making all your cuts, you can turn off the machine by hitting the stop button here, and that's how you use the shear.